How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And I wanted to go over Nvidia, where I made a video and I wanted to say, where the correction was, where we can get some nice areas for puts, and then where can some buys be. So I just want to go over my system that has been proven to work for over 6 years to make me money consistently, finding reversals where everyone else is, while everyone else is riding the trend, I can find these pivot points to make massive money, because on reversals you make big massive drops or big massive up moves depending where you're at, right? And before I get right into the video, do keep in mind I have a premium Discord for only $6, the cheapest Discord you will have, with a win ratio of over 95%. And that is not a lie, as I have find the best trades to give you guys massive alerts with big money for only $6 a month. And you can find that into my YouTube comments down below in description. But let me show you guys the trade. I alerted this video in the chat, and I was like, when nobody else wanted it, I saw put side, and when I was thinking of it was because the daily was above this upper band with occurrence of a weekly like this that was way above like this. So when you see a weekly, this does not mean you get in right away. So let me discuss these bands real quick. The top band is a sell zone. When the upper band gets penetrated, it does not mean you get in right away. But as you can see, even if you do blindly, you can see when you get in right here, you have a little correction, You get in right here, have a little correction. Get in on top of this, you get a little correction, and then big one. But let me discuss you how the best way in a short amount of time explain this strategy to where you guys can understand it. Very simple. Keep trading simple is my rule, right? So we have three bands. Upper band is a sell zone. That is where you can buy puts, short it, or anything you want. Bottom band is your buy zone, labeled green, because you want to be a bull. That's where you be a bull and get buy calls or shares, right? The best thing is the middle band. This is where I have been learning all my trades to get over a 95% win ratio to make massive money, right? Because when you see, the one thing we notice is price is always going back to the middle band. Now, we don't know a specific time, but I have a general idea of when it does. And when I want to use this, I want to use that time distance along with a signal from the upper band. So if I have a long gap with a signal above the upper band, that's when I take it. I don't take it when there's trades like under the band like this. I want to see a clear signal plus a big KDJ on the K. And what I mean K on the KDJ is this indicator right here. Not a lot of people use it. Hence is why this strategy is very unique. The K, I just got rid of the D and the J line and just keep the K, higher the K, the higher opportunity for a short, lower the K, a big buy. And when I say high K, I'm looking for over a 90. So right in here, perfect trade of where I alerted a short. We get this long gap. We hit the middle band at 105. This is very important to record. 105. Hit the middle band at 221. So 105 to 221 was a gap of not hitting this middle band. 105 to 221, that is a month and a couple weeks. That is pretty long. You will not see usually over 2 months. The longest is like 2 months and like maybe a week or two. You just don't see that much. And it's very, very risky to play, the trend if you have this big gap of not hitting plus sell signals all over the place. So that's what I look for. I want to see a weekly, and then I want to see the daily for precise entry. I wouldn't take any of these trades due to the fact I could have made lots of money actually on these little scalping trades, but the big money was going to the middle band. Those are the trades I want to see. So once I see 105 to around over a month, 205, this is what I look for. So it needs to be a 1 month of not hitting the middle band. So all these trades are irrelevant. Now I look at this. This is when it's been a month of not hitting the trades. It goes down a little, so I might have taken this for a nice gain of, right in here. Makes big, massive wick down, massive opportunity for puts, but this was your better trade here as time went by farther, and then bam, another big drop, and then the biggest drop right there. That's what I'm showing you. It's got to hit that middle band. We know that. That is powerful information. Anything that hasn't hit the middle band in over a month is very long, so if it gets close to like 2 months, we need to target that middle band because the algos want to accomplish that. The picture looks terrible if we do not. If we just keep rallying up and up and up. These are nice correction points. And then it could decide to do, what do we want to do? Do we want to do an uptrend or a downtrend? In this case, it's Nvidia. We get earnings right in here. We follow the uptrend. We do not take any of these trades because of what? Time distance. You see this? We just hit this middle band. So I did not alert any of this. Look, the time distance. There's no gap right in here. It's just what we look for is down the road. Now we got a gap right in here at 307, 221 to 307, right in here, plus this already massive move it made. This was a nice signal. And you have a K of 91 right in here. This is what we're looking at. We're peaking at over 90, and then we go a little higher, and then we get this big move down. That's what you want to look for, guys. You want to look for one. If you see a weekly candle like this with a long upper wick, that is awesome. Plus a daily that is above the upper band with a high K, even better. Plus the time distance. There's a lot to look for, but I promise you, this strategy has a high win ratio if you do exactly what I say and follow these as strict rules. Also, guys, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, stuff like this, we find these kind of trades. It's only $6 a month, and you will find the best alerts. You get my exact trade alerts right here. You see the exact ticker with the exact entry before it goes there. So if I make 30%, you will make 30%, and so on. But and then you also get the setup video, which is the most important, where you can use the strategy however you want. I talked about time distance, so I made a whole video about time distance, the best trend reversal strategy, how to trade options, and then how to set up your trading view like mine to where your indicators look like this, and a lot of education to know how to properly use it. The more you have experience, the more screen time, the more confidence you will get. Because when you're buying puts up in here, you know with time distance, with a weekly candle, this is going to go down fast, and that's what it did. Massive 6% with another massive 2%. That is massive gains. And right here, it did not touch the middle band, but I would be out of the trade right here. This is close up. I'd be out of the trade on this one big candle because that's massive gain. Who would not want to do that on options, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to join this premium Discord, it is only $6 a month. I do that because, one, I could charge hundreds, but I know I've been in this situation where I didn't have a big account, and I've been in Discords that charge $1,000, $200. You know, it's ridiculous, and all they give you is a watch list with no entries, no exits. One of these are going to go up big based on a news catalyst, and sure, one would, but you're bound to bag hold the other 9 trades that you're in, and there's no education, and you're just blindly trading. You get my system, you get my trade alerts if you want to trade how a professional does. I've been doing this for over 6 years and been making money month after month. I do this full time, so I trust the system, so I hope you would too. So if you go to the YouTube comments, there's going to be a link to join. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and you'll go into this landing page on the free chat of Discord. It doesn't mean you're a subscriber. Look for the subscriptions tab up here. I'm pointing it with my cursor. All you have to do is click any of these channels. If you hit premium chat like this, it'll say, would you like to subscribe? And it's only $6 if you do it on your computer. It's a little cheaper on computer compared to iOS because there's an iOS fee and it'll be a little more expensive. So if you want, do it on computer, it'll be a little cheaper. If you guys enjoyed this video and my analogy on NVIDIA, how I can predict this thing to a T, looking for large gaps, looking for the touch of the upper band on the daily and weekly, and targeting that middle band. That's what I do. And for the bulls, guys, if we touch this middle band and do another rally, that would be your next uptrend, as I can see, as we've been doing that a lot. We hit this, and now we're hitting this middle band. Do we go up? We will see. You know, and you don't know until we break trend, right? So hope you guys like this. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think. Any type of engagement helps the algorithm. Share it to other retail traders that desperately need to watch how to trade with the trend, reversal, trade against the trend, and when to do that and all that to make massive money. And I have all this education in here if you want to join. So if you be kind enough, it'll help my YouTube channel. Share it to other retail traders if you do a like, and subscribe, and comment. And I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord for all-time low cost of only $6. And I'll catch you guys in there. Peace out.